Remember, there is a sale after the sale. Don't be transactional, be relational. Is another tip that I can share with you. And that means you need to service the account. What does servicing the account mean? After the sale, find some time to call up the customer, meet with the customer, find out if they're satisfied with your solution. When you do that, it gives you a platform where you can cross-sell. Do you have a range of products? Is there anything else you could sell to the customer? It's an opportunity during the debriefing to cross-sell. You can also upsell them. Maybe it's a corporate that hired you only as the MC. What if you have better sound equipment? What if you could curate the entire event? It's an opportunity to upsell. It's also an opportunity to get referrals. How do you get a pipeline for more clients to sell to? So you're looking at the sale process as a process where there is a sale after the sale, where you can get all this feedback. In the process of getting feedback, you get testimonials, you get referrals, you get to upsell, you get to cross-sell.